Let's read Little Blue Truck Leads the Way. There's Little Blue Truck. He's getting gas at the gas station. Horn went beep, engine purred, friendliest sounds you ever heard. Oh, see the skunks crossing the road? Little Blue Truck rolled into the city. Beep, beep, beep. Isn't it pretty? Towering buildings scraped the sky. Beep, said Blue. The city is high. Look at that. Zoom, roared trucks down the avenue. The city is fast, said Little Blue. Shove on, Shorty, yelled a double-decker bus with big red letters. Rides are us. See, that says rides are us. A grocery truck gave his horn a blast. Move it, buddy. I'm first. You're last. See, Sam's Grocery. Oh, Little Blue Truck is having some troubles. Whee! Went a siren coming through. Busy police car. Things to do. Swish, swash, swoosh went a big street sweeper, hollering, hey, better move, little beeper. Oh boy. Make way, yelled a limousine, the longest car you've ever seen. I've got His Honor the Mayor inside. I'm important. Move aside. Cars and trucks were all in a tangle. Everyone started to shout and wrangle. Look at all those cars and trucks. Up roared a taxi. Screech went the brakes. Stop, yelled Blue. For goodness sakes. You might be fast and I might be slow, but one at a time is the way to go. Me first, said the limo, all puffed with pride. Then he gave a cough and his engine died. He was stuck right there with the mayor inside. Beep, said Blue. Would you like a ride? Everybody watching gave a shout when the door swung open and the mayor stepped out. His Honor climbed right up on Blue and gave a speech the way mayors do. See, he's on the back there. My friends, he said, what wonderful luck, this good advice from a little blue truck. One at a time is what we'll do. So single file, folks, follow Blue. Trucks and buses got in line with vans and taxis, and it all went fine. A taxi let a van go past. The double-decker bus said, I'll go last. See the double-decker bus? And there's Blue at the front. A marching band joined the big parade. Boom went the drums, and the trumpets played. They rolled along the avenue, and everyone waved to Little Blue. Look at the sign says, Blue is cool. And there's Blue with the mayor right there. They clapped their hands and yelled, hooray, for the little blue truck who led the way. See? There he goes. And the sign says, come back soon. And that was Little Blue Truck Leads the Way. He really did.